Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on Project 100. We're working from collections. We're going to make 6 paper kits in this video, and then later on we'll add the rest of the embellishments, if you will, the digital prints, but kind of like the finishers are going to be the sticker sheets. And I've done this a few times and I'm really liking it. So first, we're going to start with, oh, this is a blast from the past. I'm just going to say, this is Basic Gray Sugar Rush. This is 2009. This is an old collection, but gorgeous, gorgeous. I miss Basic Gray. So let's try to make 2 paper kits with this. And the goal is to make 2 paper kits with each collection, and then to use the sticker sheet for both of those collections. And then that way, oh, that's pretty. That way, you know, I'm getting to use that collection more than once, and I don't have to overthink it. It's like, it's got 2 in here. We're going to use it up. You know what? I think I like, I don't know what I like better. I think I want to put it all because if I'm putting those separate, then those look better on that. But if I want to overlay on top of this color, I'm going to want this. So this is page kit number 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm putting them in a iris container for now. But once we add the digital prints for the foundation, what I'm going to do once it's in that plastic bag, I'm going to tie the plastic bags together so I know that those 2 need to use the same embellishments. And this, you know, is going to be some page kits that I'm going to work on when I go to the crop. I'm hoping there's going to be a crop there's usually is in October. And I want to get a whole bunch, ooh, I love that, a whole bunch of page kits ready. So when I go, you know, hopefully I'll break my record. My record is 42 pages in one weekend, and I'm hoping to up that. Not that it's a competition. It's a competition with myself. And it's just fun. It's fun to do, to see if I can, you know, how many pages can I get done in a weekend? We shall see. And I figured out that if I bring, I plan on bringing 60 page kits, but last time I brought 48 page kits. And it takes me about 10 minutes to cut apart the digital prints. Well, for 48 page kits, that's 8 hours of cutting. 8 hours. Well, how many pages would I be able to put together in that 8 hours? So much. So that's why I'm going to be cutting apart my digital prints. And that's why I want to start that now. We're in June right now. We're June. And if you don't know, we're going across Canada, and be watching on YouTube here because I'll be posting videos of our adventures everywhere. And I want to make sure that I have, you know, at least 2 videos a week that goes up. So that's why I'm doing this. There's going to be a make a page kit and a layout a week. And I'll be happy with that. And then there's going to be, you know, whenever we stop somewhere and we have Wi-Fi, I'm going to be making videos of our trip. And also, if you find, oh, that's not a lot of videos, I have a Patreon. And as a patron, there's 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. And in the bronze, it's $5, $10, and $15. And $5, if you say, okay, well, I can't afford $5, you go back to when I started this, which was January 2021. So you'll have like 120 videos to watch right off the bat. So that'll keep you keep you busy for a while. Ooh, I like those two. So let's put those two together. Plus, over on Patreon, there's going to be a little bit more in depth because here, I just don't want to, one, I'm not allowed, and two, I don't want to put Mason on YouTube, you know? Okay, so this is going to be, this is kind of a funny collection. This is called what? Addison by Boulevard. And this has no dates. But I know it's old. I can't remember how old though. Let's see if on the paper there's a date. Nope, no dates. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. So we'll put the stickers with that. And we'll put a cardstock with this. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad I'm using it, this collection, because it's, I have to say, it's probably not my favorite. Probably not my favorite. But we'll try to use it. We'll try to use it. Okay, so maybe that as a background. Super busy. And everything else is just as busy, so I don't know. Maybe I can just put a black cardstock on that. Just put a black cardstock, like an 8.5 by 11 cardstock. That's a nice base. I decided just to go get it because I probably won't remember later. So, and maybe I can use this and kind of put that just on the black cardstock on either side. Because this and this is like, wow, super busy. So we'll put that in there. That's probably my least favorite collection up to now that I've, you know, kind of been kind of reminiscing all the different collection, but I don't think I like this one very much. But if I can get a couple of pages done with it, that would be amazing. Okay, I must have put 2 cards on one of the pages because we should have 2 more left to do. Okay, let's put this away. One thing I started doing is I started putting them right back in the plastic. And the reason for that is there's one of the videos that I did it at the end. Oh, and it was not fun. And I did more than one video, you know what I mean? So I had tons of collections I had to put back. So I think I'd rather do this, take the second, and then just move on. The next collection, which is going to be the last one for this video, is Bo Bunny, etc. And they're usually good at putting a date on theirs. Let's see, 2011. So a few years old. There's not a lot of stickers. Maybe there's another sticker sheet. Yes, there's another sticker sheet. But is it one of these collections that I took the sticker sheet out? It sure looks like it. So I'm going to try and go find the sticker collection once I turn the video off and put it with this, because that's the whole point, right? That's the whole point of this, is to try and... Is there 3 sheets of those? I wonder if that was a mistake. That's okay. That's the whole point of this, is to try and have the sticker sheet. So I had a drawer. I thought this was the bright idea to kind of take the sticker sheet out. Not so bright. So I'm going to put that with that. And I think I'm going to put like a dark brown cardstock. And ooh, that's pretty. And we're going to call it good. That is pretty. So that, and those here, and a dark brown cardstock. And definitely go find the other sticker sheet. And I'm going to stick it on there. So one more. And this will be it for this video. I like the blue, but I don't think there's anything else that's blue. I wish they would have given, you know, something else that we could have added some, you know, blue papers on it or something. This will be a good traveling. Oh my gosh, I hope that doesn't happen. Out of gasoline. We don't want that to happen. No, thank you. Okay, so again, I think I'm going to add a brown cardstock to that. That's pretty close to, unless I use that side. That side is okay. And here now there's orange. Okay, let's add that in there too. And then because there's so many of these sheets, I'm going to throw a sheet in there too. Okay, so we're going to stop it here. I'm going to go look for that sticker sheet right away. I have a picture of it, plus the name of the collection, but at least I can quickly, hopefully, be able to tell which sticker sheet should go with this collection. That's it. We're going to stop it here, but there's going to be a ton of stuff going on my channel this summer. So you might want to consider subscribing to see our adventures this summer. And also, if you're interested in Patreon, the link is in the description box below. Like I said, for $5, you can have 120 videos to watch, or for $15, it's like 240 videos, double the videos. Plus, I'm going to have new ones all throughout July and August. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.